What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Gonna do a quick video here on showing you how to do a CCV, or that's crankcase ventilation, but we're gonna refer to it as CCV. But yeah, CCV delete on 6.7 Cummins. It should only take you about 5 minutes. You can just get your parts from any local parts store. You should be able to get them. On this, for example, we're using a Dirty Diesel Customs CCV delete kit, so I'm just gonna show you what's in it. There's really not much. You have a plug here, you have this little filter, and like I said, you can get these little filters at any, parts store, and a little elbow, I believe. And let me just measure, see what size hose this is. All right, I just measured it and I got 3/4 of an inch is the hole size here. So 3/4 inch little piece of hose, 3/4 inch plug. And yeah, I'll show you how we're gonna put this on here. This truck has an EGR delete on it. If yours doesn't, that's fine. This will still work. So you still have a CCV filter right underneath this this plastic cover, and that needs to be changed. Actually, I'll put a little link up here if you want to see how to change that filter. I think you got to change them every 65,000 miles or something like that. That's when the perform service light comes on your truck. That's the filter it's telling you to change. But yeah, this is the hose. So basically your crankcase ventilation, there's vapors and fumes and kind of oily stuff, steam I guess, that comes out through your filter in here, and then it comes out this hose right here, and then it goes down there into your air intake, which goes directly in your turbo. So a lot of guys want to get rid of that just so it's not puking crap into your turbo. So yeah, that's what we're going to take off. So you got a hose clamp here, we're going to take that off, and then there should be, this one's got an EGR delete so it won't have it, but there's going to be like a 10 mil bolt right here on this bracket. You'll take that off too, and then do your 2 clamps there to get this whole pipe out. And you kind of got to fish it out and bend this bracket, this hose kind of in there just to kind of fish it out. But once you fish it out, then I'll show you what we're going to do next. And if you live in Canada, check out dirtydieselcustoms.ca, I believe it is. And yeah, this is the kit. Here's the part number, but yeah, it's just 6.7 Cummins CCV delete kit. If you live in the States, I don't know. I don't think they'll ship down to the States, but you can try. So if you kind of pull this up a little bit, kind of get it up sitting like that, then you can kind of grab this line and kind of push it underneath, get it behind this line. Ouch, truck's hot. And then should just come out like that. So if you see how my fingers are already dirty, but kind of look, you can kind of see it's kind of like shiny, kind of wet almost. Yeah, that's because your crankcase kind of fumes are getting in here. They come down this hose and they go right in your air intake and get sucked right up the turbo, because emissions control wants that to be burnt off, but it can kind of be a little bit harmful for your turbo and stuff. So all we're gonna do now is we're just gonna get an X-Acto knife and make sure you leave a little bit here. Probably cut this about in half, just like that, cut it, and then we'll put that plug in with the hose clamp. All right, and that, I mean, it's not the neatest cut, but it will do. So you cut it, like I said, put that plug in and put the clamp on. And that's all you do with this piece. And now this will be much easier to get back in the truck too, because it doesn't have this big, long contraption on it. So now this piece, we're just gonna go put this right on the truck right there, where we took that hose off, and then put the filter on and tighten both these clamps on it, and that's pretty much it. And these filters, I believe you can just wash them and clean them. If eventually they'll kind of get all black and a little bit oily, so you can either just get a new one because they're going to be super cheap, or just clean them. All right, there's this guy on, so they kind of look cool too. Nice little filter. Now just put this guy back in, tighten your 2 clamps there, one on the air filter and one on the turbo inlet, and you're good to go. And there you go, this is back in. You got the plug down in that pipe, and the new filters on. So that's it, super easy. Should only take you about 5 minutes or so, and like I said, you should be able to find those parts pretty much anywhere. So if you found the video useful, please like and please consider subscribing for more diesel content. Check out the Instagram at Dark Iron Diesel. You can check out the TikTok at Dark Iron Diesel. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I hope to see you on the next video.